I'm going to show you how to open and close a double latch briefcase with a combination lock. This is the Hampton and Palladium. This also works for the English round locks. Release the snap-on loops. Partially release the latches and open up the lock. You can keep the loops wedged in here. You can take them off. Now to close it, the upright position is the best way to close these briefcases, especially if there's nothing inside and there's no resistance going against this hasp. I don't really like to open and close them laying down.